Good morning to one and all. On behalf of Pondicherry University, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished dignitaries, respected VC Sir, Professor P. Prakash Babu Garu, Dr. Jitendra Tripathi, Joint Secretary UGC, Dr. Diksha Rajput, Joint Secretary UGC, and Master Trainers. We are gathered here today for the inauguration of the second phase of Rashtriya Karmayogi large-scale Gen Seva program, a visionary initiative aimed at empowering the teaching and non-teaching staff of central universities through capacity building and service excellence.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Prakash Babu, esteemed Dr. Jitendra Kumar Tripathi, Joint Secretary, University Grant Commission, Dr. Diksha Rajput, Secretary, University, Joint Secretary, University Grant Commission, Mr. Gaurav, the lead trainer, Capacity Building Commission, Government of India, respected participants of Rashtriya Karmayogi, large-scale Jan Seva program, phase 2, who are from the different universities of South India. Good morning to all. I am very happy and delighted in welcoming you all for this particular program on behalf of Pondicherry University. Pondicherry University really honored to host this particular Capacity Building Commission program, especially for the faculty and staff members of the universities located in southern zone of India. Pondicherry University as a destination has so many specialities, especially in offering of training and development program. So you all know about Pondicherry having its own locational advantage in terms of religious and academic connect. Faculty and students from different part of the country pursuing their research and studies in Pondicherry University. If you want to say Pondicherry itself a mini India, which represent almost all the states people here. But also Pondicherry University has excellent infrastructural facilities and lush green campus. Whoever visit to makes Pondicherry University, they feel very happy and delighted. I hope these the same things you are going to enjoy here in the campus. Under the able leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Prakash Babu, Pondicherry University, has been marching towards the newer heights, especially in the area of research and academic. We wish to host so many programs like this in the university campus in the coming days in association with University Grant Commission as well as other academic bodies. You all know I am associated with UGC MMTTC Center. When I received our respected Joint Secretary, Sir Tripathi Sir, he was telling, Arul, are you heading the MMTC Pondicherry? Then, yes sir, I said like this. Then immediately he said, we want to make it, this MMTC Pondicherry, something special. Whatever support is required, that I am ready to offer. So this shows Sir's positivity towards our university as well as his concerns about addressing many of the issues which is very important to be addressed. This MMTC can offer excellent training and development platform for all the people belongs to different part of our country, particularly those who are associated with academic institution. So on behalf of Pondicherry University, I am welcoming you both Joint Secretaries from Government of India for this function sponsored by Capacity Building Commission of Government of India. Once again, I welcome all the participants who is representing from universities belongs to South India for come over all the way to attend this very enriched program. So once again, welcome you all on behalf of Pondicherry University. Thank you.
Let us mark the beginning of this ceremony by lighting of the lamp. my privilege and honor to invite our dynamic and visionary leader, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor P. Prakash Babu Garu, to deliver the presidential address. Sir, we look forward to your words of guidance and motivation.
Very good morning, all of you. Guests on the dais, Dr. J.K. Tripathi, Joint Secretary, University Grants Commission, Dr. Diksha Rajput, Joint Secretary, University Grants Commission, Dr. Gaurav, my colleagues, Professor Arun, Director, MMTTC, Dr. Sujana, MMTTC, and the invited speakers, resource persons here, and my colleague, Finance Officer, Professor Lazar here, and all my staff here, and my former colleagues also here from University of Hyderabad. And it's a very great pleasure, and also the team of the MMRC. It's a great honor and privilege for the Pondicherry University to host this particular program on the capacity building by the Rashtriya Karmayogi Capacity Building Commission. When actually, some time back, Dr. Diksha Rajput called me, so we are planning this one, so we are thinking of you, one of them. So actually, they have different plans also, but it's very fortunate she called us. And I said immediately, without having a second thought, fine, yes, we will do it better. And Dr. J.K. Tripathi and Dr. Diksha, they have been the eyes and ears of the MMTTCs in the country, formerly called as the HRDCs. I do not know how many are, anybody is from director or HRDCs anywhere? No, fine. So then you will understand. So they have actually steered the MMTTCs in the country when they are in the really turbulent period. Why I am saying that one? Soon after the corona, there are no activities at all, and people are hesitating, and everything actually complete, as you know, the academic scenario changed, and people want to attend only online. So, and some programs were actually, some MMTs were closed actually. So when we were reviewing, some MMTs were actually, there's no activity at all. But these people, every time, very frequently having a meetings with all the directors of the country and reviewing them. And one positive thing is, whatever we say, we ask, they don't say no. They said, yes, it is possible, but only thing is you conduct the program. So only issue with this is finance. There's almost every time they say that there's no issue with the finance. We'll give you, but only thing is you spend. This is zero balance. That is, once you cannot do it, it will go back. So that means, that indicates how efficiently you people are utilizing the funds and conducting the programs. So this is the responsibility, and they have really, with the directors, it's not that they have really guided all the directors in the country to take up the various programs of the MMTTCs. And this is another initiative that they have taken, and capacity building, which is very essential, or one of the important components of the any academic sections. Because, you know, everybody knows the rules and people will implement it. This is what I keep saying, that so you have to take a decision in the right time. You can treat a patient when he got admitted. When he is in ICU also you can treat. But if the patient goes to the mortuary, you cannot treat. So even the file movement or the decision making, especially all the leaders, now you are all going to be the academic leaders of various divisions, and timely delivering the decisions is very much important. Otherwise, whole purpose will be defeated. So one of the main essence of this capacity building is, everybody knows the rules, but the problem is implementation. How to implement. So, and also timely implementation is very much essential. Whether the teaching and the non-teaching, both the components are here. So I really appreciate the idea behind this one, making for training for both of them, because you both are equally responsible. It's not the non-teaching employees, they are responsible. It's not the teaching one. So both should work in tandem, then only the university system will actually grow. So people will get interested to work in the system. So we should provide a place where they ensure that all the faculty members is once file is sent, you can forget it and it will be done. And they should not follow up the file where it is, and so that's not the culture that we should, because teachers, they have the different role, different agenda, different objectives of in the university. So therefore, putting them together is a kind of meaningfulness, so that you can also exchange and interact with the resource persons here, and you will have next 3 days wonderful time in this university. And the Pondicherry University is very well known for its hospitality, and we will take care of all your hospitality related things, and you will feel that you will come back again. Okay, so the Pondicherry, as my colleague also indicated, is a beautiful place. It's a Karmayogi place. Actually, it's a destination of the people. Many people, that's what I was discussing with Dr. J.K. Tripathi. People come and settle in Auroville, which is a serene place where everybody will have finally at the end of the day, everybody wants a peace, not quarreling with each other. So that is a place where you can always have a enjoyment. And Pondicherry, wherever you go, it's a beautiful place, you can enjoy it. Our university campus is the 800 acres, it's a lush green. So when you enter into that one, you'll definitely feel pleasant. And we have several unique departments in the university. We have the 10,000 students capacity. So we have very unique departments. Apart from that, we have different campuses of the university, where we have the campuses at Karaikal, it's in the Tamil Nadu, other side of it, and Mahe in Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and also Yanam in Andhra Pradesh, and also Lakshadweep also is with us. So we have, apart from regular things, we have 119 colleges affiliated to Pondicherry University, which are having medical colleges, engineering colleges, nursing colleges, pharmacy colleges, whatnot. We have everything. So our role is much bigger. The reason why we are also, we wanted to reactivate the MMTTC with the guidance of Dr. J.K. Tripathi, as already indicated that we will do something to this, whatever you want. And so that we have the larger capacity of the people who are here in the university, we have to train them. And apart from that, we are also happy to train the people, those who wanted to come. So we wanted to activate this MMTTC throughout the year. What are the programs that you wanted to plan? Think of Pondicherry University, we are here, we'll execute this. So we have the very good infrastructure facility in the university, and we have different auditoriums of the different capacity. So we'll take care of all these things. So I really once again thank the Dr. J.K. Tripathi and Dr. Diksha for choosing the Pondicherry University as the venue for this particular program, and we wish you have many more. So thank you very much, and I once again welcome all of you for this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address and leadership. We are honored to have amidst us a stalwart of educational governance, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Tripathi, Joint Secretary UGC, who has been instrumental in shaping the policies of UGC MMTTC across the nation. Sir, we now request you to deliver the keynote address and share your valuable insights.
So, namaskar, good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pondicherry University, my colleague from UGC, Dr. Diksha Rajput, Mr. Gaurav, Professor Arul, and all dear participants who are coming from different part of the southern India. At the outset, I would like to thanks and feel grateful of the Honorable Vice Chancellor for hosting this 3 days workshop at Pondicherry University. As Sir said, rightly when we and Diksha were discussing in UGC that we had to hold this 3 days workshop, then Dr. Diksha contacted Professor Babuji, and he happily, without saying anything, he said, we are happy, we will host. So thank you very much, sir. We are grateful for your hospitality and all these things. As sir said, I will say another thing that, see, we are here for 3 days. And Pondicherry University is providing all kind of hospitality. But if you feel anything or you feel that something is missing, so Pondicherry University is not responsible. As a UGC, we are responsible. So please, my apology to all of you for any inconvenience if happened, because they are trying their level best to provide all kind of support to UGC as well as to Southern Universities participants also. So this program was launched by the Capacity Building Commission of India, and as sir said, that it is for capacity building of teaching and non-teaching all staff. That's why we are calling 100:1 master trainer, and so you have large responsibility after completing this program and going back to your concerned institution, university, to train all the staff and teacher in your university. This program is designed, well thought, designed, we will see 3 days, that well-designed program, so much of human resources invested in this program. So my earnest request to all of you, kindly give your full time for 3 days and be with us, and we will try to provide the content and all the material whatever have been provided by the Capacity Building Commission. So that is, we will be spending 3 days, and I am really grateful to the Pondicherry University for hosting this program. I will not take much time as we have to start the program. So thank you once again, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Director MMTTC, and organizer, Finance Officer, Registrar, all the EMRC, MMTTC staff of the Pondicherry University for providing support to us. Thank you very much.